First of all, download the new cursor PNG file. Now go to your Roblox Studio and select a place or game where you want to make a custom cursor. Once you are in the game, in this explore section, click on start a player. Then we have to create a new script, so click this plus icon next to start a player scripts, select local script. Now delete this code from here, and now we need our image. Before that, we have to save it, so go to file and click on save to Roblox, and here name I'm typing custom cursor, and you can adjust the settings, then click on save. Once successfully saved, click on assist, right click on images and click on add images. Now select your new cursor's PNG file and click on open, click on import. And here we can see my image successfully imported. Now right click on the image and click on copy ID to clipboard. Then in this local script, here paste your ID and then click on file and click on publish to Roblox. Once successfully published, go to your place and press F key on your keyboard to play the game. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added a custom cursors for my Roblox game. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.